welcome to my channel. It's ChartFX. Today I'm going to be showing you how to trade volatility 75 using three simple indicators: the MACD, the RSI, and the EMA. So let me just not waste your time. Let me go straight to it. So first what you need is the RSI, and I already have it. So let me just show you the settings. So go to indicator window, go to RSI, and as you can see here, set period to 200, apply to close, and then on style, make the color your background. So if your background is white, make it white. If it's black, make it black. Like mine here, as you can see, it's black. And then levels, set it to 2080. I use it because that's the one that gives me the most signals. So yeah. So as you can see here, the RSI, you can only see the levels 80 and 20. You do not see the middle line. Okay. Now let's go to the MACD. So MACD, just leave it as it is. Don't change anything. Everything's just the same. And then moving average. So set your period to 3. Make sure your period is 3. Shift 0, method exponential. Apply to previous indicator data. And then you can change the color if you like. And then yeah, that's basically it. Make sure you change it to previous indicator data. Please don't forget that. And click save. Go back. So now how this works, right? In order to enter for a buy, so if we look down here at the yellow line and the red line, right there. So as you can see, you buy when the yellow line and the red line touch level 20 here, level 20 here, as you can see. So once it touches or goes below level 20, you wait for a crossover. As you can see here, the yellow line crossed the red line, crossed above the red line, here, over here, right there. So that's what you look for when you want to buy. So straight after the crossover, I advise you wait for a bit until make sure it is fully crossed over. Then you place a buy, and here I would have placed a buy somewhere here, right? So as you can see, the trade ended up actually going up here. Here. So it went up from here. It went all the way up there. So now for the second thing, selling. So selling is the same thing. So the line, the yellow, red, and the blue lines go above the 80 level, which is here. I'm sure you can all see it. Wait for it to go above the 80 level or on the 80 level, and then wait for a crossover. The red line should cross over the yellow line, as you can see, which happened here, right there. After it has crossed the line, you enter for a sell. So here you would have entered for a sell right there, and as you can see, the trade, it ended up going down here to this level right there, and here you just take your profit. And then another example here, as you can see, it went, it crossed there. You should have entered for a buy right there, and then as you can see, it rides up, goes up, and then hopefully it will keep going up. More examples. Go back. Right there. Okay, another thing, guys. The zoom level, as you can see, you can zoom in, out, and it will repaint the indicator. That does not matter. Whatever zoom level you're at, but I advise you to put it at the second zoom level, which is about somewhere here. Although it does not matter, I'd still advise the second zoom level. But to be safe, just go to the first zoom level, the smallest chart, right? So let's look for another one. Okay, you can see here it went above and then it crossed. So here you would have sold right there over here. You would have sold and it would have gone down here. Let me just put an arrow. Hold on. Let me show you what I mean. Here it have gone down. As you can see, it went down there. So like I said, you'd have placed a sell order here. Same thing here. As you can see, it wait here. Yes, this one's perfect. Crossed over. Although it did cross over twice, as you can see, it went down and then up again. Same here. On top, it went down here, right? Then it went up again, then it went down. So here, as you can see, you have taken short profits, but you could have had a chance to sell again here. To sell again here. Right? So if you sold here, as you can see, let me use the arrow. Here. If you had sold somewhere here, right here, somewhere here, then so that means, let me show you this trade from here, from somewhere here, going all the way down there. That's massive profit, a massive profit right there. So from here all the way down here, it's massive profit. So yes, don't let those chances go, guys. Always hunt for pips, hunt for pips. Okay, yeah. I hope you understood from this video. I hope you took away what you could. And I'll be creating a Telegram channel soon. Watch out for that. And I'll be sending in signals in my VIP channel, which is coming soon. So yes, just subscribe, turn on your notifications. I'll be sure to post more videos soon, and I'll be doing live trades as well to show you how it's done in real life. So just stay tuned, subscribe, turn on the notification button. Don't forget to comment, ask me anything, I'll tell you. I'll put my WhatsApp number in the description soon, so just stay in touch. Anyways guys, this is all for the video, and if there are any questions, just please put them in the comment section. I think that's all for today. Yeah, bye guys.